Welcome to this MSSC Tech Short. Today, we will be looking at the AutoJet feature for our printheads. This feature is very useful if you are printing intermittently and experiencing nozzle dropout. The SmartJet Pro printer features a cartridge with an integrated printhead. Once the cartridge is correctly installed, the integrated printhead is positioned at the front of the printer. In the image, you'll notice two columns. Each column houses 150 nozzles, meticulously designed to consistently produce half-inch characters, barcodes, and logos. During active printing, the nozzles of the integrated printhead are continuously supplied with ink. This consistent ink flow ensures uninterrupted performance and maintains the quality of the printed images. However, if you notice gaps in the printed output, it may indicate the presence of clogged nozzles. This image displays an item that was passed in front of our printer as the printer was experiencing nozzle dropout. If a nozzle dropout occurs while an attendant is nearby, the attendant can use the back-mounted purge button to clear dried ink and replenish the ink supply to the nozzles. When an attendant uses the purge button, the quantity of ink purged through the nozzles depends on the column's setting within its system settings. This setting ranges from 1 to 255 columns. Please note, it is not necessary for AutoJet to be enabled when performing a manual purge. Now that we've discussed the active role of the columns setting in the purging process, let's take a look at a diagram illustrating the correlation between the number of active columns and the ink expelled during purging, whether it's done manually or through autojetting. A setting of 10 will cause the pair of nozzle columns in the printhead to fire 10 times, with a maximum of 255 times. Here we have a range from 10 columns to 240 columns with a considerable amount of difference in the amount of ink purged. It's crucial to keep in mind that when you choose to use the AutoJet feature, you will want to control ink usage. Environmental conditions such as humidity, temperature, and the presence of airborne particles are key factors in determining the ink amount required to keep your nozzles firing properly. When AutoJet is enabled, you'll have the option to select a time setting ranging from 1 to 60 seconds. This setting allows you to specify the delay between purges in an active AutoJet setup. It's crucial to remember that this feature becomes active only when AutoJet is enabled, and the printer is no longer actively printing, with the duration of inactivity matching the time setting. Congratulations! You've now mastered the usage of the AutoJet setting. This option proves to be a valuable tool for ensuring your printer consistently delivers its best, especially in cases of degraded prints resulting from nozzle dropouts due to periods of inactivity and environmental factors. Happy printing from MSSC!